Loving it. Can life get any better? You guys ready for this? Is going to be my favourite view of the Golden Gate. Come with me. And we've arrived at Battery Spencer. It's just amazing how many of these batteries were built for the World War. We've arrived. My most favourite view, I'm sure you'll agree. It is stunning. And Carl, the fog has completely gone, leaving us the most beautiful day in San Francisco. A few interesting facts then. The tower here is 746 feet from the Pacific Ocean, and the roadway deck 220 feet. And the Golden Gate Bridge completed in 1937. You might want to know how long the bridge is. It's 1 mile wide, 1.6 kilometers, connecting San Francisco to Marin County. Before the bridge was built, the only practical short route between San Francisco and Marin was a boat across the section of San Francisco. And why is the Golden Gate called the Golden Gate? Is it because it's in colour? It's not. The strait that we're looking at here is called the Golden Gate. This has got to be the #1 selfie spot in San Francisco. Hope you're enjoying the start of day 8 here in everybody's favourite city. Really like the reflection there of the bridge in the water. And check this out, all the love locks all left here at the Golden Gate Bridge. There's a couple of thousand of them. Look at that. Does anyone recognise any of those love locks? What a perfect setting. I can certainly tell you the fence was not like this a year ago. It's literally that heavy now. It's pulling the fence down. As great as the idea is, I'm sure you'll agree, it is a little bit on the unsightly side as well. Let me know in the comments what you think. And there's now plenty of people looking at that fabulous view. It's absolutely gorgeous today. And right there is where we've just been earlier on, Hawk Hill. Obviously when we went to Hawk Hill, the coal was completely covering this beautiful view. And if you're visiting this area, we've put a little sticker there for you guys. Make sure you check it out and drop me a picture. There we go. Fabulous. We need to make the most of this beautiful day. So we're going to try this morning to show you as many view areas of the Golden Gate Bridge on this beautiful sunny Sunday.
Road trip down to the coast, stereo on high, a vibe in your bleached denim shirt. I wish that we could go back, more than just a throwback. Baby, only you and me. Chasing after sunsets, back when we were young and living on a movie screen. We were so in love, we never thought about where we were going. Could we take a moment and relive the days when we were back in California? California. For just one night, let's go back in time. Had your hand in mine, the tide washed out names from the shore, losing track of time. Oh, I stopped, tie-dye shirts on the floor. A couple days in San Diego, a sunscreen, and nowhere else to be. In the fade of Winnebago, making a hell of memories. I wish that we could go back, more than just a throwback. Baby, only you and me. Chasing after sunsets, back when we were young and living on a movie screen. We were so in love, we never thought about where we were going. Could we take a moment and relive the days when we were back in California? California. And I wish that it was more than just a memory, but the flashbacks appear so real to me when I held you right here, right next to me. Whoa, California. I close my eyes and you're here with me, 'cause the flashbacks appear so real to me. The moment that I knew that we were meant to be. Whoa, just one night, let's go back. For just one night, let's go back in time.
We're at the next view spot and it's really warmed up. Got my new shirt on that I bought from Death Valley. I really like it. Hopefully you guys will give me a thumbs up for that one. Got a surprise for you. Check this out. Wow. We're at Fort Baker. Let's go and have a look. We're going to try and make the most of the beautiful weather. As we said earlier, it can change an awful lot in San Francisco. But today looks pretty good. And that's got to be a perfect picture with all the boats and the Golden Gate right behind it, with the beautiful sunshine and blue skies. Just done our first live video on YouTube, looking at this stunning view of the Golden Gate Bridge this morning. So glad I could share it with you guys, sitting right at home. And we're currently walking along a little sort of pier area. A lot of fishermen. Look at all the rocks. Now these guys have got the right idea. Check that out, they've got a tent, they're going to do some fishing with this incredible view of San Francisco Bay. Filming this morning, we're using the Osmo Pocket 3 and it's bringing you this incredible footage of right here in San Francisco. First come to San Francisco in 1988 and I never ever get bored of looking at this beautiful bridge. Look at the harbour coming in, the water's coming in from the ocean there. And we're looking across over here at San Francisco, Oakland Bay Bridge. And right over here, I don't know if you can see it, is Alcatraz. We are so lucky to be here, living the American dream, living the Californian dream in this beautiful city. And I hope you guys are enjoying it too. Perfect place just to maybe sit on the rocks here with this incredible view. Absolutely awesome. Loving it. Can life get any better? Welcome to Tiburon, everybody. One of our favourites. Beautiful view of the Golden Gate Bridge. And just look at the beautiful homes all around here. Fabulous area. So over here we've got Angel Island. Let's look at all the birds flying in there. And it'd be good to walk out all over the rocks, I guess. And over this way you've got the ferries that will take you across into San Francisco. Certainly love to have a property here. Beautiful location. And what an amazing day. Can't be any better.
Days when we were back in California. California. For just one night, let's go back in.
It's picnic time, and we're picnicking on a table that we've done many times before. I'm just going to show you something. You used to be able to see the Golden Gate Bridge right there, but that tree's grown up now and blocked it. But it's still a beautiful place to have a picnic. It's a little bit on the breezy side, a little bit on the cooler side as well. But how awesome is this? We're going to have a really, really good time. So what have we got today then? We are going to have this pot noodles and some bananas, some cakes, got some meat. Going to be pretty awesome.